Welcome to Ecorptrainings. Here we are going to discuss about Joint Application Development. Joint Application Development, JAD, is a development methodology system. What is Joint Application Development? Joint Application Development, or JAD, is a process originally developed for designing a computer-based system. It brings together business area people and information technology professionals in a highly focused workshop. The advantages of JAD include shortening of the time it takes to complete a project, improves the quality of the final product by focusing on the upfront portion of the development life cycle, reduces the likelihood of errors that are expensive to correct later on. JAD centers around a structured workshop session. Participants get together in a room to discuss the problem or project. Everyone hears what the rest of the group has to say. JAD can eliminate many of the problems with traditional meetings. Meetings are not well regarded as a productive forum. JAD turns meetings into workshops. They are less frequent, more structured, and productive. An agenda provides the structure. The facilitator directs the process. Visual aids clarify concepts being discussed, and the group dynamics, with constant feedback, stimulates creativity. JAD purpose: to define the project, design a solution, and monitor the project until it reaches completion. JAD philosophy: the JAD process is based on 4 simple ideas. Those are: 1. People who actually do a job have the best understanding of that job. 2. People who are trained in information technology have the best understanding of the possibilities of that technology. 3. Information systems and business processes rarely exist in isolation. They transcend the confines of any single system or office, and affect work in related departments. People working in these related areas have valuable insight on the role of a system within a larger community. And 4. The best information systems are designed when all of these groups work together on a project as equal partners. JAD scope: the JAD should cover the complete development life cycle of a system. The JAD is usually a 3 to 6 month well-defined project. For large-scale projects, it is recommended that the project be approached incrementally, and that separate JADs be used for each increment. Systems development life cycle of JAD as following steps: conception, requirements, design, implementation, integration, test, and maintenance. Origins of JAD. JAD was developed by Chuck Morris and Tony Crawford of IBM. Crawford led several workshops to prove the concept. JAD became widely accepted in many companies, including the data processing industry. JAD definition according to Crawford: an interactive systems design concept involving discussion groups in a workshop setting. Coming to evolution of JAD. As JAD attained popularity in the 80s, people started to use the term to describe different things: workshop techniques, brainstorming sessions, and motivational meetings. As the popularity of JAD grew, its usage expanded to functions other than the requirement gathering in the system development life cycle. It is now used in all phases of SDLC, and is defined as a system development method. Who uses JAD? JAD was originally designed to address information system development. A JAD session usually involves some aspects of system design or development. In recent years, JAD has become a joint venture among people who need to make decisions affecting multiple areas of an organization. It is used even in non-IT related projects. In this case, JAD is defined as a structured workshop where people come together to plan projects, design systems, or make business decisions, whether IT related or not. Today, JAD is commonly used in several areas. In strategic business planning, strategic information system (IS) plans, and IS architecture definition. In re-engineering business processes, in detailed system design, in process and data modeling, and in project management. In the earlier days, the definition of JAD required users and developers to be together in the same physical location. Due to new improved technology, physical location is no longer a limit. Like virtual meetings and remote sites with packaged software. Basic components of a JAD session. Coming to JAD sessions. These are more focused and conducted in a dedicated environment. Quickly drive major requirements and help better develop the look and feel of the interface. JAD participants typically include project sponsor, project lead, facilitator, scribe, end users, developers, observers, and subject matter experts. Guidelines for a successful JAD. A clear purpose shared by all team members, the project charter. A diverse team, representative of all areas affected by this project. Every person in the group has equal responsibility and decision-making power. Every idea is valuable. Throughout the JAD, listen and acknowledge each idea and concern. Evaluating ideas during a brainstorming session will shut down the creative process. The best idea may never get said out of fear of being shot down. Participation by everyone is very important. Encourage quieter members to speak, they often have the best ideas. Don't allow one or two members to dominate. This is the facilitator's responsibility as well as the whole team's responsibility. Listen when others speak, don't interrupt or talk while others are talking. Maintain a parking lot to record important issues that are not within the scope of this project. Don't hold meetings just to hold meetings. Only meet when there's something substantial to talk about. Don't let more than 3 or 4 weeks pass between meetings, you will lose momentum. Remember, each meeting is a motivation for the team to complete tasks assigned. It is no fun to come to a meeting and admit you didn't finish your task. Decisions are reached by consensus. We are here to create a win or win solution. Win or lose solutions aren't good enough. Coming to automated JAD. JAD can be coupled with use of computer-aided software engineering tools, that is CASE tools. Some of the JAD tasks can be automated, and various software tools are available today to assist with automated JAD sessions. Traditionally, word processors are used by the scribe to record the essence of JAD sessions. Sometimes, CASE tools are used to capture models in real time. However, due to its complexity, the use of CASE tools usually slows down the process and becomes the bottleneck. The Internet and the web have created many new opportunities for group work. It is now possible to include participants from many remote locations, so that, in theory, the size of the user group can become quite large, including participants from anywhere in the world. For more details on this topic, and for supporting details, please visit www.ecorptrainings.com or contact on Ecorptrainings. Dial from USA to us on +1 703444544802. Dial from India to us on +91 814 311 1555. Dial from UK to us on +44 203 468 0685. Or email us at training@ecorptrainings.com. Thank you.